Coming up, quick tour of Premium Balcony 6279, Carnival Legend.
To the crow's nest!
It's actually behind the elevator. You come in, got a vanity, your phone, your lamp. It also has USB and C connector. Here's your closet, sliding door, place to hang your clothes. Light supposed to stay on when you open it. Here's the other side. Plenty of shelves. Here's your bathroom. Typical bath. Shower curtain. Adjustable shower head. Step up. Single sink. Shelves on both sides. Here's your bed. It could be either a twin or a king. It's currently in the king position. Size. Here's the new lamp. It too has USB and a C plug. The chair comes with a couch, a table, a bureau, another lamp. Your TV is up here on the shelf. Here's another bureau. Behind the TV, there's some outlets back there, an American outlet. So you do get an extra outlet in this room. And then there's the door to the balcony. The balcony comes with a chaise lounge and 2 chairs. It's a nice sized balcony, larger than a normal. And one last thing, the lamp over on the other side of the bed also has USB and C connector. From the balcony, this is what your room looks like. Very nice size.